Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we don't just talk beauty, we decode it. Today, I've got something luxe, yet approachable that caught my eye, the BYOMA Hydrating Recovery Oil. It's a facial oil designed to boost your skin barrier with a blend of powerhouse ingredients like Squalane, Jojoba oil, and Seabuckthorn oil. The brand promises instant radiance and barrier repair without that heavy, greasy feeling oils sometimes leave behind. So let's see if it really delivers. First up, what's inside this little bottle of goodness? BYOMA's oil features a barrier lipid complex packed with ceramides and skin-identical lipids. That's key because ceramides play a huge role in reinforcing your skin's natural barrier, helping it lock in moisture and defend against irritants. Alongside that, we have hydrating Squalane, which mimics the skin's own oils, and 9 antioxidant-rich botanical oils. These antioxidants are crucial for protecting skin from environmental stressors, making it a smart pick for anyone looking to brighten and strengthen their complexion. Oh, and it's alcohol and fragrance-free, dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, vegan, and cruelty-free. Pretty solid on the clean beauty front. I added BYOMA's Hydrating Recovery Oil to my evening skincare routine for about 2 weeks. Right away, I appreciated how lightweight it felt on my skin. It absorbed quickly without leaving any slick residue, which is often a concern with oils, especially if you have combination or oily skin. The texture is silky but not heavy, so layering under moisturizer worked seamlessly. On days when my skin felt a bit dry or irritated, especially after exfoliating, this oil calmed and replenished without clogging my pores or causing breakouts. I also tested it in the morning on its own beneath sunscreen. It gave a subtle glow that didn't interfere with makeup application. That balance between hydration and lightness is impressive. Now, no product is perfect, right? While I loved the immediate glow and barrier support, I did notice that it's not a heavy-duty oil for extremely dry or mature skin types craving intense nourishment. It's more of a daily hydrator and barrier booster than a deep treatment. Also, the price point places it in the mid to high range for facial oils, so you'll want to weigh whether that luxury formulation matches your budget. Speaking of price, does it offer good value? Considering the ingredient list, squalane, ceramides, and a mix of botanical antioxidants, plus its versatility for all skin types, I think it justifies its cost if you want a clean, effective oil that won't overwhelm your skin. It's certainly more affordable than many luxury oils on the market, but still delivers that premium feel. Compared to other barrier repair oils I've tried, BYOMA holds its own well. Some oils can be heavy or greasy, especially those with heavier plant oils, but this one's formula hits that sweet spot of hydration and lightness. If you're used to simpler jojoba or squalane oils, this offers an added boost with the ceramide complex and antioxidants that you might find appealing. For those who want a no-fuss, science-backed oil without a strong scent or fillers, this is a great contender. Packaging is sleek and practical, a glass dropper bottle that dispenses the perfect amount without waste. The build feels durable enough for daily use, and with proper storage, the oil should stay fresh for a reasonable time. BYOMA is known for good customer support, and while I haven't personally contacted them, their transparency and formulation details show a brand committed to quality and consumer education. If you're looking for more budget-friendly options with similar hydrating properties, brands like The Ordinary's 100% plant-derived Squalane or CeraVe's Facial Moisturizing Lotion PM with ceramides might be worth exploring. They won't give you the exact blend of botanicals BYOMA offers, but still focus on barrier repair and hydration at a lower price point. So, what's the bottom line? BYOMA Hydrating Recovery Oil shines as a lightweight, non-greasy oil that boosts your skin barrier while delivering a subtle, natural glow. It's perfect for anyone wanting to reinforce their skin's defenses without heavy or oily residue, especially those with normal to combination skin types. If you need a richer, more intense treatment, you might want to layer it with other products or consider alternatives. Overall, it stands out as a scientifically driven, clean beauty choice that balances luxury with accessibility. If this review has helped you decide whether BYOMA's oil fits into your skincare game, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so other beauty lovers can find these honest insights too. Your support keeps Beautyistic going strong. Thanks so much for spending time here today. If you've tried BYOMA Hydrating Recovery Oil, drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear your experience. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.